Hi, Jason Sen from daytradeideas.com. It is Monday the 18th of November. We're looking at the afternoon session for NYMEX WTI crude on the daily chart. Needless to say, we've been in a downtrend right from 28th of August when we topped out, and we've just headed very steadily lower. You can see it's a very clear downtrend. We've remained at the same pace throughout, all the way through to middle of November. Last week we bottomed out at 92.51, getting oversold on the daily stochastic, and we got some divergence there as well. So there was some hope for a recovery, but really all we're doing is going sideways while we unwind that oversold situation, and we're not going higher. MACD's slightly positive, but really there isn't any good reason to buy this at the moment. I don't think. I think there is a risk that we see one more spike lower. In fact, perhaps when this stochastic heads around the 50 level, we'll just top out a bit and go down again. Short term, we're going to get quite overbought within the next day or two. There we go. I'm scrunching this up just so you can see this trend line, which I think is quite important, and it goes back to the 28th of June. And if you join up the low from there to the 18th of that's 28th of June 2012, and if you join that up to the 18th of April this year, you've got a nice uptrend line going all the way. And if you take it to where it is now, you're looking around the 92.00 area. We've also got really good 200 week moving average support around 91.75. So I think there is a risk that we just spike down to test that 92.00, 91.75 area, and that I would suggest is probably where we would be looking to bottom out and perhaps get these oversold indicators to finally start kicking in and perhaps attract some buying interest. Below 91.30, which you've got some fib support around there, then we're going to be in trouble again, and we may not want to be holding any longs below, on a significant break below 91.30, 91.20. But on the weekly chart, we do have a big fib level at 90.65. So just bear in mind that if we hit 92.00, 91.75, I think we'll see a decent bounce. If we start breaking below 91.30, I'm probably wrong, and we're going to continue south, and we could then sort of hit the 90.75, 90.65 area, which again I think is probably a good buying opportunity. But we'll worry about that if we start heading towards there. In the meantime, we're struggling at 94.00. Even if we get through there, even if we break above, last week's high, let me see, was 95.38. So even if we get through 94.00 decisively, we're going to be struggling at the 95.40, 95.80 area. But that doesn't seem on the cards. I think more likely is some selling down to the 92.00, 91.75 area. Anyway, we'll examine this throughout the week and see how we get on. Thanks very much. I'm Jason Sen from daytradeideas.com.